Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you always wanted to tint your own car windows at home, but you don't know how to do it? In this video, I'll be showing you how to tint your own car windows at home with only few basic tools. Stay tuned and enjoy watching the video. These are the tools you will need: window tint film, spray bottle with a soapy water, some microfibers, squeegee, and finally, don't forget to get yourself a heat gun. Okay guys, the first step is going to be prepping the window and clean it thoroughly from outside and inside, just to get rid of any dust, dirt, contamination. And as you can see guys, I'm only using a soapy water, just trying to clean the window as much as I can. So now, after cleaning the window thoroughly and you are happy with the result, start measuring the width of the rear window. In my case, came about 55 inches. So in this stage you need a bar soap, and you can use any soap you want. And as you can see, I'm wetting it a little bit with the soapy water, and then I'll be rubbing it all over the glass. And this is an important step, which it will help you when you are going to shrink the film with a heat gun. So now, after finishing the whole window, let it dry for a couple of minutes and then get back to it. And when you get back to the car, spray the window with some water before you lay down the film. Now, after laying down the film on the glass, cut off all the excess you don't need before you start using the heat gun. Okay guys, before you turn the heat gun on, let me tell you a secret before you start shrinking the film. And the trick I use, I always divide the window into 4 track angles, something similar to this picture. And when you start shrinking, start from the top to the bottom or the opposite if you want to. Okay guys, in this stage, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's gonna take some time. Just be patient and try not to burn the film. So now the film is ready for the final cut. Okay guys, in this stage, you're going to need a light to help you when you are going to do the final cut and to see through the window. Also, you can use any light you want except your mobile phone. So after finishing the final cut, what I like to do is to spray the outside with the soapy water, just to make sure there is no static electricity. So now time to clean the inside window again and keep it wet as much as you can. So now time to pull off the film, and don't forget to keep it wet as well as the inside window. So now after the installation, re-wet the window and with the squeegee push the water out. If the squeegee becomes sticky, just keep spraying water. Also, if you notice any small bubbles, just use the heat gun directed to the glass from outside. Here you go guys, this is the final result and we're done. So now you know how to tint your own car windows at home with only few basic tools. And I really hope you found this video helpful. If so, let me know in the comment box. And I'll see you next time.